Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey. Good morning, everybody. It's February 4th, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramoochie's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion. This piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index has remained at 20. Bitcoin dominance is 41.9%. 24-hour volumes at 80 billion. And the overall market cap is 1.68 trillion. Give or take 100 million. A minor 7th add 9. It's my favorite nerd buddy. The one that I don't introduce to other friends, but I invite over to my house maybe once a quarter. What a wacky week. We're essentially at the same price level we were when I made the video on Monday. Slightly above the 20 and 50 moving average, cusping the 38K level. With all the knee knockout tech earning dumps, you would think Bitcoin would be in a worse position. But she's actually held pretty strong. It looks like we may be heading up to test our level of reckoning. Again up at 39K. Before that, I'm expecting a head fake down to test the moving averages for support. If we bump our head on the 39K level and get rejected, we may form a cute little cup and handle that would give us the oompah we need to rally back up and over the enigmatic level of 39K as I just sit here on the G chord. Now over on the daily, we bounced off of our mid-wedge support and headed back up to test resistance at 38K. A successful up and over would put us back in our symmetrical triangle, pondering our existence and life choices once again. But before we have to cross the Switzerland Triangle Bridge, we have to break its resistance level at 38.5. And although any small breakout would get us there in a jiffy, it almost feels like small pumps are a thing of the past. And we only see small dumps in this part of the movie. That being said, it is getting pretty close to decision time for this wedge. We've been dancing with it for what seems forever, or at least since our high of 69K. It almost seems like a dream. I'm not sure it even happened anymore. But that's what the market can do to you. Can lull you to sleep with 1,000 counted sheep, then boom dish bonk, she takes off. The dad in me who errs on the side of caution and safety, or better described by my 6-year-old son Duke as on the side of boring, is suspicion sneaking, a potential rounding of a bottom. And as much as I'd like to see a moonshot out of this neighborhood, we may be sightseeing down here for a couple more weeks. Curving around 1,000 counted sheep, it's not what I want, but more of a pragmatic gut feeling with a boring dose of reality kicker. Yes, patience has become a religion, as our attention spans are conditioned down by the onslaught of technological triumphs of convenience. Even though my latest iPhone is exponentially more marvelous than the first one I held in my hand, I ultimately marvel at it less and less as it becomes simultaneously more and more amazing every year. These are all symptoms of a broken fiat money system and a breakdown of our concept and value of time itself. As the Bitcoin revolution of sound money gets ushered in, the sickness of give me more for less will revert back to investing our most valuable asset, time, into the future. making that future brighter while simultaneously enhancing the present. I know, pianomattyb, you've had too much coffee, buddy. And you'll always be right when you accuse me of that. So remember, we're playing the same game as our that's right, it's the long game. And it's Friday. Another reminder, tomorrow night's the live piano bar. Please join me if you've got the time. We sit there and take requests, answer some questions, all over music, and sing me out. 3, 4.